Today I want to talk about something crucial, the looming retirement crisis. This is a serious issue that will affect almost everyone watching, and it's not getting the attention it deserves. The problem? Let's rewind a bit. Retirement is a relatively new concept. People traditionally worked until they couldn't anymore. However, in 1889, a German chancellor worried about unemployed young people causing unrest. So he offered pensions to encourage older workers to retire. Fast forward to the 1930s in the US, and Social Security was created to prevent widespread poverty among seniors. The American dream of leisurely retirement boomed in the 1950s. There's a major flaw, though. Social Security wasn't designed for today's longer lifespans. Back then, the average life expectancy was only 58, meaning most people wouldn't collect benefits for long. Social Security is funded by payroll taxes, but it's not like a savings account where your money grows. Instead, current worker contributions pay for current retirees. With a growing population living longer and a shrinking workforce, Social Security is projected to run out of reserves by 2035, only able to pay 77% of benefits. The consequences. This looming crisis has several frightening consequences. Poverty. A significant portion of boomers are approaching retirement with little to no savings. 1. Many will rely on their already struggling children for financial support, placing a huge burden on younger generations. Savings gap. Americans simply aren't saving enough. Half have nothing saved for retirement, and most fall short of their retirement goals. 3. The perfect storm. Longer lifespans, rising healthcare costs, lack of retirement plans for many, and a decline in childbirth all contribute to a situation where many will be forced to work well past retirement age. What you can do? Don't wait. Here are some steps you can take to secure your future. Know your target. Estimate your retirement needs. A recent study suggests $1.5 million might be necessary for a comfortable retirement. Start early. The power of compound interest is incredible. The sooner you start saving, the less you'll need to contribute each month. Invest wisely. Broad index funds are a great option for long-term growth. Prioritize savings. Live below your means and find ways to cut unnecessary expenses. There are differing opinions on the severity of the crisis, but it's undeniable that challenges lie ahead. Taking control of your finances now is the best way to ensure a secure and happy retirement. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more personal finance tips.